Morning, boys and girls. It's Friday today, and we've made it through the week. And I just want to congratulate you all. You've all done such an amazing job, and I think it's been a pretty good week. So let's have a look at what the lineup for today is. We're going to start off doing one page of Smart Kids, and that is on page 4. So if you have a look here, we've just had, it says here, Mum's Treat. We've just had Mother's Day. So it says Jacko and his sister Ella decide to treat their mum to breakfast in bed on Saturday. Share the work equally between them. All right, so if you have a look at these points here, that is all the work that they have to do. And you have to share it equally between Jacko and Ella. All right, so you have to decide what Jacko's going to do, and then you have to decide what Ella's going to do. All right, and whatever Jacko does, you're going to put here, and whatever Ella does, you're going to put here, or write here. All right, so as you write, you've got to use this for what they do. Okay, so as you write, just tick it off, and then you know that you have covered that particular point. All right, so that is Mum's Treat. Then we are doing one page of Build Your Brain Power, and that is page 19. Let's have a look there. All right, so for this one, it's the Wacky Worms. All right, this involves measurement. You're going to have to get your ruler and measure. You need to measure carefully. Otherwise, if you get this part wrong, all your other calculations are going to be wrong. So I think we'll do this together, all right? We'll first measure our worms, make sure we have the right measurements, and then once I've checked all your work, then we can go on to this. So the rest of it is just working out the difference. Okay, so for example, Willie is how much longer than Wimpy? So you compare Willie. These names are funny, eh? You compare Willie. Okay, he's 11 and, sorry, that's Wimpy. He's 11 centimeters and Willie is 16 centimeters. All right, so the difference between that, you just minus. Remember, when we do difference, we always minus. All right, so if you take 11 from 16, you have 5 centimeters. All right, so it's all difference. Okay, whether you're working out how much longer or how much shorter, you are working out the difference. Okay, and you can see here this last section, find the difference in length between these worms. All right, and then the last question, just for fun, the length of all the worms added together. All right, but like I said, we're first going to measure our worms and we'll check that and then you can go on to do the rest. Okay, so we make sure your worm measurements are correct. All right, after that, we're going to do our spelling test. Hopefully everyone will be online so I can test you. You're going to do that in your test book like you normally do. You're going to turn to the front of the book and we're going to do 15 words. Usually we do 20, but special circumstances dictate, so we will be doing 15 words. I will give you your heading and your date. Once we've done that, we're going to do our spell tits, and remember that is done at the back of the book. And we will do it just like we always have done. All right, where you do Afrikaans word on the left-hand side and you write the English meaning on the right-hand side. Once we've done our tests, we're going to copy our synchranes into our top class book. I have checked all your synchranes, I've marked them. I've done a video called Teacher's Desk, all right, where I've marked it and I discuss your corrections, but don't get nervous when you hear the word corrections because I'm very impressed with all your synchranes. I think they're very good, but please do watch that video so you can see where you need to tweak your synchrane. And then once you've checked that out, you're going to copy it into your top class book. All right, you can see over here. Here's an example of one that has been done already. And we're going to also decorate around our poem, our synchrane, make it look beautiful. All right. And then the final thing that we are going to be doing is our art, and we're going to be doing autumn leaves. I'm going to be talking more about our autumn leaves, and there will be a little video to watch explaining that further. All right, that's a wrap for Friday. Let's see how the day goes.